Hi, I'm Luminous Manbuddy, and today, I'm going to set the kitchen on fire because I had nothing to do. Yes! I set the kitchen on fire.
Oh no, what happened to the kitchen? Wait a minute, Luminous Manbuddy, did you set the kitchen on fire? Tell us the truth right now, or else there will be serious consequences.
Well, Mom and Dad, to tell you the truth, but yes, I set the kitchen on fire because I had nothing to do.
Oh my god, Luminous Manbuddy, how dare you set the kitchen on fire? You know that you are not allowed to do that at all.
I strongly agree with your father. You know fire is dangerous to play with, and because of this, you will be grounded for 4 weeks. Now go upstairs to your room right now while we put the fire out.